welcome to my channel. My name is Martha. Today I have a little craft project and also a little makeover project. And it's not a makeover on me, but the other day when I went for my walk, my neighbors recently sold their property. And so they are doing a remodel of the house, and as I was taking my walk in the evening, I saw that they had thrown out this really cute little chair slash little bench. I would say it's more like a chair, and it's like iron, and it has iron work in the back, and I thought it was really cute. It was all white, and I thought that it had a lot of potential, and so I decided to give it a little makeover. I picked it up and I brought it home. And so I have a little area in the front of my house when you first come in, which is really small. So that is a really small little chair, which I thought would look really cute there. So I'm going to show you what I did with it. I think it came out really cute. And I also made a little DIY project with Dollar Tree items to sit next to my new little bench. So I thought that I would film it and show you what I did. And I hope that you enjoy it. Look. Nails are still on about 5 days after, so good deal. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what I did. The DIY is almost all Dollar Tree items. Let me see. Yes, all except the glue and the paint. And oh, I used some dry flowers that I bought from Amazon. Other than that, it's just very few items actually that I used for that DIY. But I think it came out really cute, and I hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you now what I did. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will check me out again next time I put up a video. Bye, guys. Our neighbors threw out. It's metal. All this is metal, and it's in really good condition. And I thought it would look really cute in the front entrance to my house because it's small, and my front door area entrance is kind of a small area. So come with me and let's see what we can do to make this little chair a little bit more appealing than it already is. And after I removed the cushion, I was ready to reupholster it. I went to the fabric store and I found this really pretty fabric, and it's reversible. So you can use it on the whole green side or this side with the peach tone on it. I like that side better, and that's what I'm going to use. Okay, and I'm done with that. I think it looks really pretty, and now it's time to go outside and paint the actual chair. I bought some green spray paint from Home Depot, and that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay, you guys, and I'm done painting the base of the chair, and so I'm gonna let that dry now and get to work on the little DIY that I told you about. I bought these pieces of wood at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna paint them on both sides. I'm gonna mix these two tones of green with a little bit of white because I want to achieve a really pretty green, so I could put the little pot next to the chair on a little table. So I'm mixing that, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint these 4 pieces of wood on all sides. After I'm done painting the 4 pieces of wood, I am going to just hot glue the 4 pieces into a box, and I want to make sure that I leave the smoother side of the wood toward the outside of the box. So I'm going to get busy gluing it all together, and I'm going to use a piece of foam board and cut it to size and glue that to make the base of the pot. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of antique white paint because I don't want to leave the pot like a solid green color. I want to give it a little bit of character. I want it to look a little bit weathered, and I'm going to do that with this antique white paint from Apple Barrel, and I'm going to dry brush it into the wooden box that I've created, which I'm going to use as a little pot holder. Okay guys, and I'm done painting the planter box, and now I'm going to use this really pretty burlap ribbon that I had bought at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue it along the top edge of the planter box and along the 4 rough edges on the sides of the planter box. I have this really pretty sign from a previous project that I had made from Dollar Tree items, and it happens to be the perfect green, and it says live life in full bloom. So I'm gonna hot glue that to the planter box, and then I'm gonna add some dry flowers that I had bought from Amazon, and I am gonna use some Mod Podge for that. I'm done, you guys. What do you think? I put the plant inside. Look how pretty it looks. I think it's adorable. And come with me outside so we could take a look at the chair that I finished. And here it is. It looks like a totally different chair. I'm so glad that I picked it up and that I could make good use of it. And I put it next to this little table with the planter box and these beautiful stones with some beautiful messages on it. You know what they say, you guys, somebody's trash could be somebody else's treasure. So I'm really glad I picked this piece up. It was a lot of fun just giving it a little makeover. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, and watching my videos. I want to welcome my new subscribers. I hope to see all of you again in my next video. Take good care. Till next time, you guys. Bye-bye.